friends, here we discuss about chapter number 2, inverse trigonometric function. Student, you know that if a function is 1 1 and onto, then its inverse exists. Here first we discuss about sine function. Sine is a function from R to R, and you also know that about a graph of sine function 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi, same at this side minus pi by 2, minus pi, minus 3 pi by 2, minus 2 pi. At 0, value of a sine becomes 0, at pi by 2 becomes 1, at pi becomes 0, at 3 pi by 2 becomes minus 1, same of this side, at minus pi by 2 becomes minus 1, at pi becomes 0, at 3 pi by minus 3 pi by 2 becomes 1. So after joining all points, we get this type of a graph of sine function. From the graph of a sine function, see that sine function is many one and into function, because if we draw the line y is equal to k, k belongs to close minus 1 to 1, intersect this graph in a many points, like line y is equal to 0, that is x-axis, intersect this graph in a more than 1 points. So this function becomes a many one point. If we restrict its domain from close interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, then line y is equal to k, k belongs to close interval minus 1 to 1, intersect this graph only in a 1 points. So in this type of restricted domain, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, close interval pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2, same in a different close interval, this sine function becomes a 1 1 function. Now if we restrict its codomain, close interval minus 1 to 1, then this sine function becomes a onto function. So sine close interval minus pi by 2 to close minus 1 1 becomes 1 1 and onto function. Here in this case inverse of sine exists, and the sine inverse is a function from close minus 1 1 to close minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Yeah. Now here we discuss about the graph of a sine inverse function 0, minus pi by 2, pi by 2. At pi by 2, value of sine becomes 1, at 0 becomes 0, and at minus pi by 2 becomes minus 1. So this type of a graph we get for a sine inverse function. Remember this. Yeah. Now here we discuss about some important notes of a sine inverse function. Sine inverse sine x is equal to x for all x belongs to domain of sine function. Here we select domain of sine function is a closed interval minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Same sine inverse x is equal to x for all x belongs to domain of sine inverse function. Here domain of sine inverse function is a closed interval minus 1 to 1. And y is equal to sine x double implies sine inverse y is equal to x. If and only if all y belongs to range of sine function or domain of sine inverse function. Domain of sine inverse function is a close minus 1 to 1, and for all x belongs to domain of sine function. Domain of sine function is a close minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Yeah. So remember this here. Important notes for sine inverse function, graph of sine inverse function and a graph of a sine function. Now here we discuss about cos, its a graph and inverse of a cos function. Cos is a function from R to R, we know that. Also graph of a cos function 0, pi by 2, pi, 3 pi by 2, 2 pi, same with this side, minus pi by 2, minus pi, minus 3 pi by 2, minus 2 pi. At a 0, value of a cos becomes 1. At pi by 2 becomes 0. At pi becomes minus 1. So after plotting all points, we get this type of a graph. Of a cos function. See that from the graph of a cos function, cos is a minimum function and not onto. If we restrict its a domain and a codomain, then this function becomes 1 1 and onto. To make it 1 1, we restrict its a domain from close interval 0 to pi or pi to 2 pi or in a some different close interval. Same, we take its codomain is equal to close minus 1 to 1, then cos function becomes 1 1 and onto. Here cos 0 to pi 2 minus 1 1 is a 1 1 and onto function. Here cos inverse is a function of minus 1 1 to 0 pi. Cos inverse is a function from close interval minus 1 1 to 0 pi. Now graph of a cos inverse function 0 pi by 2 pi 1 minus 1. At a 0, value of cos is a 1, at a pi by 2 is a 0, and at a pi becomes a minus 1. So this type of a graph we get for a cos inverse function. So remember this graph of cos inverse function. Now here we discuss about some important notes of a cos inverse function. Cos inverse cos x is equal to x for all x belongs to domain of cos function. Here we select domain of cos function is a close 0 to pi. Close 0 to pi. And cos inverse x is equal to x for all x belongs to domain of cos inverse function. Domain of cos inverse function is a close minus 1 to 1. And y is equal to cos x double implies cos inverse y is equal to x. If and only if for all y belongs to a range of cos function close minus 1 to 1, and for all x belongs to domain of cos function, here we select domain of cos function is a close 0 to pi. Clear this? So remember this here. Important notes for cos inverse function, graph of a cos inverse function. Now here we discuss about sec and its a graph, also about inverse of a sec function. Sec is a function from r minus 2k plus 1 pi by 2, k belongs to z to r. Here graph of sec function, you know that this type of graph you know. So 0 pi by 2 pi here 3 pi by 2, same this side minus pi by 2 minus pi minus 3 pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 2 minus 2 pi. At x is equal to 0, value of sec becomes 0 at pi by 2. Sec is undefined, so graph of sec function does not intersect this line by x is equal to pi by 2 and pass through y is equal to 1 and does not intersect line by x is equal to minus pi by 2. So this type of graph we get for a sec. Same for this here, at pi becomes minus 1. So this type of graph we get for this interval. This is the line x is equal to 3 pi by 2. Same for this side, we get a graph of a sec function. Clear this? Now to make it 1 1 and on 2, we restrict its domain. If we take closed interval 0 to pi minus pi by 2, then this sec function becomes 1 1, 0 to pi minus pi by 2. Then sec becomes a 1 1. Also, its codomain is equal to its range. Range of sec equal to, we know that r minus 1 to 1. Then the sec function becomes 1 on 2 function. So here sec goes 0 to pi minus pi by 2 to r minus 1 to 1 is a 1 1 and on 2 function. In this case sec inverse exists, and the sec inverse is a function from r minus 1 1 to close 0 pi minus pi by 2. Yeah. Now some important notes of a sec inverse function. Sec inverse sec x is equal to x for all x belongs to domain of sec function. Domain of sec function here is like close 0 to pi, here minus pi by 2. Okay, and sec inverse x is equal to x for all x belongs to domain of sec inverse function. Here domain of sec inverse function is the r minus 1 1. Same for y is equal to sec x, double implies sec inverse y is equal to x if y belongs to its range and x belongs to its codomain. Now here we discuss about this graph of a sec function. Here 0 pi by 2 pi. So remember this graph at 1. So this type of graph we get for here minus 1. Okay. So graph of sec inverse function we get this type of remember these important notes and graph of sec inverse function. Other points we discuss in next lecture, student. Okay.